The doors open, and Max runs away as fast as he can. Please walk, Max.
As soon as they enter the mall, Max starts running everywhere. Running can make someone trip and get hurt. Look at Max! He runs all over the mall, touches everything, and knocks things onto the floor. Max, come here, please. Uh-oh.
Max only stops him just before the accident happens. Careful, Max.
So I should walk?
That's right. Walking keeps everyone safe.
Wow, look at these toys.
Remember, don't touch everything without asking first.
Okay, Mommy.
Max starts throwing things and playing in the store. Max, we do not throw toys in the store. Someone could get hurt and the toys might break.
I just want this one.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Let's put everything back together.
I'll help.
Good job, that's being responsible.
Catch this ball.
No, Max!
Oops.
Throwing toys can hurt people.
I didn't know.
Now you do, sweetheart.
I'll play hide and seek.
Max, where are you? There you are.
Wow, a moving staircase.
That's an escalator, Max. Never use it by yourself.
Okay, Mommy.
Stand still. Hold the handrail.
And watch your feet. Holding tight, Mommy. That was fun. Yes.
Yes, because we use the escalator safely together.
Safety first. Wow, the floor is so shiny.
See the yellow sign? It means we should walk carefully.
Okay, Mommy. Oops, I almost ran.
Walking slowly helps keep you safe from slipping.
I'll be careful. The mall is so clean.
Let's thank the cleaner for working so hard.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's sit down before we drink our juice.
Great idea. I'm finished.
Where should the cup go?
In the trash bin.
I'm so proud of you today.
I learned lots of safety rules.
You're becoming a smart shopper. Can you remember our safety rules?
Walk, stay close, ask first.
And always be kind. Excellent!
I'll always remember these rules. Bye, friends!
See you next adventure!